Hi guys, this is Miss D. Williams again, coming back to you with more support for lesson 12.2. So before in the other videos, I gave you the student edition. Well, now I'm actually on the interactive lesson component for lesson 12.2. So once again, remember that we're on standard NF6 as we're finishing up fractions. And next week we'll bounce back once we finish NF6 to NF5. And I think there's one more NF7 that we will finish covering and we will be done with the fractions unit. We will then move into geometry and measurement. All right, so our I can statement for today again is I can use a visual model and decimal notation to represent fractions, mixed numbers, and decimals in hundreds. So we're focusing on hundreds today. Excuse me. Yesterday we focused on tenths. So once again, I showed you your Spark Your Learning, but I'm going to go back through it from the interactive lesson part that I'm showing right now. So once again, it gives you an image of bananas, all right? And it tells you that potassium is an important nutrient for our bodies. It supports muscle strength, fluid balance, and energy levels, among other things. The amount of potassium in a medium-sized banana is between zero point 0.4 gram or 4/10 gram and zero point 0.5 or 5/10 gram of potassium. What could be the number of grams of potassium in a medium banana? So here, I explained this before. You have a number line, and the number line has one hole on it because it's 0 to 1. The number line is also broken up into tenths, and you know that because you're counting your parts. So this is 1, that is 2, this is 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. So there are 10 equal parts on this number line, which makes this number line broken up into tenths. With that being said, if we were going to plot the points of 4/10 and 5/10, which I'm going to do here we go with this pencil again. Stop laughing. This would be your 1/10 here, your 2/10, your 3/10, and then here's your 4/10. So I'm going to make a dot here, best I can, for 4/10. Okay, awesome. And then I'm going to go up here. I'm going to see if I can possibly change my color. And I'm going to make a dot for 5/10. Okay, awesome. Not doing too bad today. Go Miss D. Don't say anything. Okay. All right. So then if I had to, as a student, think about, okay, I have 4/10 here, I have 5/10 here. If this number line was broken up into where every single tenth was broken up into 10 again, we would create hundreds. Okay. So that means that if I took, and I'm going to try my best, do not judge me. I'm going to try my best to break this, and I'm actually going to erase this dot just a little bit, see if I can make it a little bit smaller. So bear with me because I need this little space. Make it just a little bit smaller. Okay, there's our 4/10. That's a little bit better. Okay, so you can see it. All right, so now I want to try to make little bitty marks, and this is going to be challenging because this pen is not the most thinnest for me to make little bitty small marks, but I'm going to try. So I want to break this tenth, this part right up in here, this tenth, because all of these are tens right here. I'm going to try to break this up into 10 again. That's going to then make this into hundreds. So let me try. So I'm going to split it down the middle. Okay, that's not going to work, and I'm going to tell you why it's not going to work. It's not going to work because the pen, the width of the pen is not going to allow me to make it thin enough. So I'll do like I said before. I will send you a version of the number line and how you would create it with a number line of one whole, breaking it up into tens and hundreds. So we'll talk about that. It's easier to do it with your pencil. But anyway, if we were going to show in between here tenths again, so that will make this into hundreds, that means that the medium-sized banana can be between 0.41 hundreds or between or up to 0.49 hundreds. So it can be anything from 0.41 hundreds to 0.49 hundreds. I will be coming back with the second video.